Are you ready to transform your PC building experience? The right case can make all the difference, impacting not just the look but the performance and future upgrades of your setup. Full tower cases are the giants of the PC world, offering ample space for high-end components, custom water cooling loops, and multiple GPUs. They provide excellent airflow but can be quite bulky. Mid-tower cases strike the perfect balance between space and compactness. They support standard ATX motherboards and offer enough room for most GPUs and cooling solutions, making them the go-to choice for many builders. Compact cases, like Mini ITX and Small Form Factor (SFF) cases, are perfect for those who value a minimalist aesthetic or need a portable setup. They save space but can be challenging to build in due to limited room for components and cooling. Mini ITX cases are designed for the smallest motherboards, ideal for portable gaming PCs or home theater setups. However, their limited space requires careful planning to avoid overheating. SFF cases offer more flexibility than Mini ITX while maintaining a compact footprint. They often support micro ATX motherboards and can accommodate mid-range GPUs, balancing size and performance. When choosing a case, define your needs. Are you building a high-performance gaming rig or a simple home office PC? Your goals will guide you towards the right size and features. Check compatibility to ensure your case supports your chosen motherboard, GPU, and cooling solutions. This step is crucial to avoid any build issues down the line. Consider airflow and cooling. Cases with good airflow and space for fans or liquid cooling will keep your components running efficiently, preventing overheating and ensuring longevity. Think about future upgrades. If you plan to enhance your system later, choose a case with extra room for expansion. The right case sets the foundation for a powerful and personalized build.